This is the 15-inch MacBook Air, open for teardown. A large, thin battery spans most of the lower case. The logic board is compact and tightly integrated. This design uses a fanless thermal system and heat spreader. The 15-inch display is thin with delicate edges and thin bezels. Overall repairability feels limited, glued sections and soldered parts. Compared to the 13-inch Air, the internals are scaled, not rethought. You get more screen area, but not more user-accessible upgrades. Battery capacity increases, but replacement remains challenging. Ports and connector layout stay largely familiar to the smaller model. If you wanted easier repairs, the larger size doesn't help much. Bigger display, familiar limits. For the full teardown, watch the long cut.